Trying to put together this sprout table. The chair has been placed together for the little munchkin. No screws, no tools, just arm muscles and your brain. So this was kind of, I'm really sweating putting this on already. So how is it done? Here's a demonstration of how to put the legs together. Here's the small version when they're little, and then they can advance when they graduate and get a little bigger. There are the other sets of when they grow, because obviously it's called sprouts, so they're growing with the table and the chair. So here's some directions, but I'm just gonna kind of quickly go through what we have here. This is part of the legs, this is part of the legs. So this part, it's easy to see where this is at. This is the opening. So you're gonna hold it like this, and this is the top part. So this top part where there's no opening is where it connects to this. So there's two parts to make sure to look at. There's the groove part here where there's a little cut, and then there's a flush piece. So the cut piece, even though it seems weird for it to be exposed and out, we have a little helper helping us record, so don't mind. So the part where there's a cut is going to be outside. So when it's facing out, flush part's inside. Put it through here, and I find it easier to wiggle in. And then once there's a little hole there, kind of tap it through. And then again, where there's no opening, the top part is going to connect to the leg. So just hook this piece to this mouthpiece. And it's going to go straight in, and this is not going to be lined up, but what you have to do is just move it through. Move it through to the side, and then it goes right in, so it locks and it's tight. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can practice to put it on. Remember, open side, flush side, and just put it on. And practice before you put it on. And you just kind of like apply some pressure. So just, and there you are. So once it's on the table, wiggle it in, tap it in a little bit, open side down, mouthpiece in, and then just connect the dots. 1, 2, connect it. It's not lined up, so you push it towards that open hole to lock it in, and tap it in, and there you have it. Your sprouting chair. Ooh, I mean table with the chair. So cute.